Hey guys, Sam here from KeyCommerce.com. In this video, you're going to learn about the structure of your Google Shopping campaigns. Understanding Google Shopping campaign structure helps you set up, optimize, and scale your campaigns profitably. Let's start by looking at how campaign structures actually look, starting right at the account level view. So this is the structure that you're going to be working with. Your account sits at the top. That's where everything lives. Inside your account, you have your campaigns. Inside each campaign, you have ad groups. And inside your ad groups, you have product groups. And that's where your actual products sit. The reason that this structure matters is simple. It lets you organize your products into categories that make sense. And when something's working or not working, you can see exactly where the problem is. Without it, everything is one big pile and you can't see anything clearly. So let me show you what this looks like with a real example. Let's say you sell games. So at the top level, your catalog is split into two campaigns, video games and board games. Inside board games, you have three ad groups, card games, trivia games, and strategy games. Go one level deeper into strategy games, and you've got your product groups, chess, backgammon, and classics. And finally, inside classics, you've got your actual products, Monopoly, Risk, and Stratago. Now, this matters so much for you as a store owner, because when everything is organized like this, you can set different goals for different parts of your catalog, and you can spot problems and opportunities fast. Let me give you one real example. Say you make less margin on Monopoly than you do on Risk. With this structure, you can go in and bid lower specifically on Monopoly. Or let's say that your strategy games ad group has a lower conversion rate than everything else. You can see that straight away and go and investigate. Maybe your product pages aren't strong enough. Maybe the pricing is higher than the competition. Or if your video games campaign has a much higher bounce rate than the board games campaign. That might mean that your site navigation for that section might need some work. And the reason that you can see all of this is because your structure lets you do that. And guys, I can't tell you how many times we've taken over an account where everything is just thrown into one ad group. And the store owner has no idea why their campaigns aren't working. So please, get this right from the start. It'll save you a lot of headaches down the road. Now, before you go in and set up your campaign structure, I want you to keep in mind one thing. When you're starting out, keep your campaigns as consolidated as possible. If you're selling products that are in the same general category, keep them in one campaign and separate them by ad group. Because the more budget you have in one place, the faster that Google learns what works. But if you're selling products that are completely different audiences, different categories entirely, then yes, separate campaigns do make sense from the start. But if there's any doubt, start with one. You can always split later once you know what's selling. Alright guys, that's it for campaign structure. This video is part of our free Google Shopping course. It shows you everything you need to set up, optimize, and scale your Google Shopping campaigns to over 50K per month. I'll leave a link to the full free course down below in the description. And if you'd like help from a team that's taken stores from where you are now to over 6 or 7 figures, with a proven system, no wasted budget, and full transparency on what's happening at every step, book a strategy call with our team. Link is down below. We'll look at your store and show you exactly what we would do to scale it. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.